In today's fast-paced world, many students aspire to achieve financial independence and make $10,000 a month. However, amidst the sea of information available, it can be challenging to discern what truly works from what doesn't. In this video, we will break down the key components you need to focus on in order to reach this financial milestone, drawing insights from experienced individuals who have successfully achieved this goal. So, let's get started. Finding the right vehicle. The first crucial step towards making $10,000 a month as a student is finding the right vehicle. This refers to identifying a means or opportunity that is substantial enough to generate significant income without excessive risk. It is essential to choose a path that allows you to earn a substantial amount while safeguarding your investments. One common misconception is the allure of trading as a quick way to make money. However, it is important to note that trading can often be risky, and many traders may not have your best interests at heart. Instead, consider investing in starting an online business with low overhead costs. Building a lean online business can provide you with continuous cash flow that you can reinvest for future growth. Offering high-value services. One effective way to reach the $10,000 monthly income goal is by offering high-value services with either high perceived value or high leverage. Services such as marketing consulting, content creation, or online coaching can provide substantial returns if positioned correctly. These services should either offer significant value to clients or be structured in a way that allows for scalability through delegation or automation. By providing services that are in demand and add tangible value to businesses, you can steadily increase your income over time. It is essential to focus on building a sustainable business model that can adapt to changing market conditions and scale as your client base grows. Managing expectations and timeline. It is crucial to manage your expectations and understand that achieving $10,000 a month may not happen overnight. Building a successful business takes time, dedication, and persistence. While some may reach this milestone sooner than others, it is essential to set realistic timelines and milestones for your financial goals. Understand that success in entrepreneurship is often non-linear. There will be periods of rapid growth followed by plateaus where progress may seem stagnant. It is during these times that your resilience and commitment to your goals will be tested. By focusing on long-term growth and setting realistic expectations, you can navigate the ups and downs of building a sustainable income stream. Sustaining success and growth. Reaching $10,000 a month is just the beginning of your financial journey. Once you achieve this milestone, the focus shifts towards sustaining your success and growing your wealth over time. It is crucial to view this achievement as a baseline and continuously strive for improvement and expansion. Maintaining financial stability and multiplying your wealth requires a strategic approach. Learning from established principles of wealth management and adopting practices that align with long-term financial growth will set you on the path to sustained success. By solidifying your financial identity around the $10,000 monthly mark, you can build upon this foundation and aim for higher levels of income and prosperity. In conclusion, making $10,000 a month as a student is an achievable goal with the right mindset, strategy, and dedication. By focusing on finding the right vehicle for income generation, offering high-value services, managing expectations, and sustaining success over time, you can pave the way for financial independence and long-term prosperity. Remember that success in entrepreneurship is a journey filled with challenges and opportunities, and staying committed to your goals will ultimately lead you to financial success. As you embark on your journey towards financial freedom, remember that each step forward brings you closer to realizing your dreams. Stay focused, stay resilient, and believe in your ability to achieve greatness. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching.